It's really about how do the banks respond to these trends and the future of money. Are they passive, a spectator, a building block in someone else's platform, or are they going to play? And I think that's really up to each individual bank to decide. The future of money. I mean, we could spend hours talking about this. I'll try and give you just a view in a minute or so, but because there are lots of dynamics in the market that we're all really aware of. Obviously, we're seeing things like digital payments growing. We're seeing high street banks closing, footfall decreasing. We're seeing a huge ramp up in e-commerce. This was a trend anyway, and the pandemic, of course, has accelerated a lot of that activity. So here, this answer is really about a balance of threats and opportunities, right? And how the banks respond to the future as things change, right? And I guess it's really about the banks making a decision on what they want to be in the future of money. Do they want to be a building block in someone else's platform? They open up their data, their APIs, open banking, and they sit at the bottom of a platform supplying information and transactions to someone else's value chain. Or do they want to play, right? And a great example here is buy now, pay later. It's all over the sort of financial services world in the last couple of years. I just looked up some stats, right? I think 10% of e-commerce transactions in the UK are now ending in a buy now, pay later. And this is Klarna, right? And it's amazing. And I use it, and I'm sure you do too, Mark. It's fantastic. You just spread your payments into six chunks. It makes perfect sense. But the banks here need to respond. And we know PayPal are moving into buy now, pay later, Revolut as well. And this is a great opportunity for the banks to decide how they're going to respond to what is the trends driving the future evolution of money. Does a bank want to participate and offer buy now, pay later? We've all seen the banks have got the amount of value on their credit cards has disappeared in 2020 and 2021. I was just looking at the charts. It's literally fallen off a cliff. We, the consumers, have paid off our credit cards. This is a huge threat to them, where the response that the bank can take is, okay, let me participate in the great growth that Klarna is seeing and move into buy now, pay later. So really, again, just to summarize, what do I see? It's really about how do the banks respond to these trends and the future of money? Are they passive, a spectator, a building block in someone else's platform, or are they going to play? And I think that's really up to each individual bank to decide.